how to make money on Binance. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through the steps on how you can make money on Binance, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. Now, making money on Binance is actually very simple, but just be aware that making money involves whether you are in profit or not. If you bought a cryptocurrency for, let's say, $100, right? So let's say one crypto was worth $100 yesterday. After a week or so, it is worth $200, which means now if you sell that one crypto, you will get $100 in profit because it is now worth $200. So you just have to figure out the market value of the cryptocurrency that you purchased. So let's say I purchased BNB. Let's say it increased 8% since the time I bought it. I can simply sell it for a certain amount of profit. I'll get 8% profit along with my money back. So it just really depends upon what stage your crypto is in. So you can tap on this little option here. If you've bought and if you have a certain crypto you'd like to sell, you can tap on the sell crypto to USD. Just select the currency that you would like to sell and enter the amount you want to sell, and then you'll be able to sell them. And that's all it takes to go ahead and then basically make money on Binance. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.